This customer's pretty upset. Everything should be covered. This is just not something that would ever leave the door. They were told that this is an industry standard. You know, this customer is dealing with their insurance company now. I was reading the review, like, just for the entire world to see. It was just so unprofessional. You want to compete with the big boys, you're not familiar with the industry. That's when mistakes happen, man. It's not even close to being industry standards. Melted plastic panels, they do subpar work, they cut paint, and then they tell the customer's wrong. And this, unfortunately, is not it. This ain't industry standards. You suck.
I think this was a second attempt.
But the trimmings are still here. So usually you'd pull those away and throw those in the trash.
There it is, cut paint.
They cut a door curb? They didn't even remove the license plate bracket. Knife mark.
Oh, there's cut paint right there.
Melted bumper, melted piece of plastic. 1/4 inch gap of exposed paint.
Okay, so we are all done with this 2025 Prius. This customer came and saw us back in April. I think it was like close to the beginning of April. Completely dissatisfied with the PPF job that she had gotten done from another shop. She was fighting with that shop to either fix it on multiple occasions, and they continuously just made it worse, and then ultimately trying to get her money back. Once that situation was addressed, then she then had to fight with her insurance to try to get the actual paint fixed, and you know, once that got approved, it went off the paint. A couple panels did have to get repainted, and then waiting for cure time. I couldn't really call it like a professional level install. I don't even think I would say like a DIY install, even though it was from a local shop. Very poorly executed, cut paint. They utilized the kit, and I mean, you'll see the footage on that, like no lineup. And once we got the vehicle, we knocked this car out for her, and we just washed it. We're finishing it up. We're gonna do a final inspection on it and make sure it's at the standard that we try to keep all of our jobs at.